Erica. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to do your own box braids. In this particular video here, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I did my own triangle braids. These braids right here are the regular box braids. I had them for a while. I honestly just found the clip of me doing the triangle braids, but I never got an intro in for you guys. So I was like, you know, since I have my braids back in, why not? And this is a great video and a great time to do your own box braids, because we chilling in the house, you know. You want to have your hair in a protective style while you chilling still, so it won't be, you know, you're just gonna be, we've been lazy at this point, okay? So you want to just put your hair up, get your hair out the way, so you'll be able to clean up, care for them kids, care for your pets, care for whoever you have to care for yourself, you know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learn how to do your own box braids.